Hi everyone, this is Miss Farwa and welcome to my channel Learn to Teach. Today in this video, I will tell you how you can download Paint 3D in your Windows. So this is a software that is offered by Microsoft and it's a very creative tool that can help you to draw something using 2D and 3D tools. So let's begin. First, you have to use any of your internet browser. I have Google Chrome in my laptop, so I will quickly open it. In the search bar at the top, write down download 3D Paint. Once you write it, you just press enter and see the result. Now there are few links available here. What I will prefer you, please go here up to down, Paint 3D for Windows. It will provide you the latest version of Paint 3D software. I'll click on this link. Once I click it, the page will appear. Then you have to scroll down a little and here you can find get the latest version. We click here. Once you do that, then another page will open. Scroll down a little and then here you must stop. Just look at this. Download free 64.4 MBs. That's the file for Paint 3D to download. Click on this icon here for download and then you can see in your downloads it will automatically start downloading. We have to wait until it finishes. Okay, then you have to go to the folder where it is being downloaded. Now see this, it's in my downloads. We will open it. When you will open it, you will see a window coming up like this and then it says install. We will click on the button install and then let this software install in your computer. Once it is done, you can just see the software has been installed and it opens in your computer. Go to new and just see how it looks like. Make it big from the maximize option at the top. This is all about how you can download the software. In the upcoming videos, I will be sharing you how we can use each of these options available in Paint 3D to make creative projects. Thank you so much. Stay tuned, stay connected, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Bye.